Ebusuafo say Ken Ofori Atta case no ekusua ewo ho. Ghana for onim say enrechi emra Ken Ofori Atta ekokopie mu ewo American court no. Obia entumi amfa details papa bi amba because Ken Ofori Atta a lawyer Emma ye pami obia efri proceedings no ase. Now the ATN said the case has been adjourned to April 27th. But now question and Crophobia say into April 27th no. Na Ken Ofori Atta ya granting a bail and access still obewo custody ana. People really wanted to know what was going to happen or what was going on. But now Crawford a name a year answer no. Into no the information on Ken Ofori Atta now no a scanty. But the Attorney General, Dr. Ayini, Eden Sema Babetuja, Asemwa Dr. Ayini Walker, Atre Ghana for and they say, Kianeki, Ken Ofori Atta or Pewompu, Yedenebeba Ghana. Now, according to Dr. Ayini, no, he has been following the case and he has been briefed by American authorities, America for Ashenebo Atreno, Se Ken Ofori Atta or Yedienkrana, Obeba. I am seeing some other people speaking, our motre say, Sa Ken Ofori Atta case krano yanhweni ya ebetumi take 3 years or what. That's what some people are saying, but we are going to go to that side. I mean, we are going to speak on that later to see whether there is a possibility like that. But Attorney General Nadia or my ati say I know the briefings are wenyano Ken Ofori Atta yedene beba. And then first time we have subscribing and click the notification bell so we understand latest news via bar on sa ebeka. Na Novdek baso na miguswa esremo se opese o register Novdek no na wo pass year school ba kope and I recommend am Sanctuary College omo dansoman. The only reason why I am recommending this school and say akolebia or register Novdek e wo school we no e pass with flying colors. Mesre frewomo e wo 053 77 30272. And NSA school no, they have hostel facilities. And aside that, in sono omo a year WhatsApp group. And no, even if you are not part of the school krana, teachers will group ni more omo solve questions. So the link to the WhatsApp group is in the comment box. Obehun the last link no. O click here now join the WhatsApp group no. Na mesanso kai will say enda me ne wo ka say yamayati as said the best place to invest your money Ghana. Until you need to know how to invest in Ghana. Book now at that screen is no. Your friend the Ghanaian investor. So far it is the only book listed on Amazon a better how to invest in Ghana. So open book we be out to Mr. 1 you can get the hard copy on Amazon. 2 Ubetumenya a PDF no ana tree or English video ewa WhatsApp 100 cedis per 055 807 4986. 3 you can get it through link na a wall comment box nimo or click here now download your phone so. 4 there are some icons on the video I will share in the o click icons neswa na trese onsa akambook no. Now yenko a ensem no emo. I say, Dr. Ayini speaks on Ken Ofori Atta's return to Ghana, U.S. court case. I say the Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Dr. Dominic Akuro-Tenga Ayini, has expressed hope that former Finance Minister Ken Ofori Atta will be returned to Ghana, even as legal proceedings concerning his immigration status continue in the United States. Speaking to the media on Wednesday, January 21st, 2026, Dr. Ayini said American authorities are handling the matter strictly in line with U.S. laws. As the American authorities are handling the process and they are handling it in accordance with American law. So far, I don't find anything wrong with what has taken place. And to tell Dr. Ayini in some way, I see BB cost of fine. Also, Dr. Ayini disclosed that he has been following the hearing and has received briefings from U.S. officials, but stressed that details of those discussions remain confidential. I say, I have had reports from the United States regarding what has happened and what may happen, but these are confidential discussions and I'm not supposed to talk to the media about what they have briefed me on. And you will see, America for no anyone no Dr. Yini Akasa. In some wa wamone na aka no onya yanko de betu dwa na so ntumi fa ntu dwa. Ba no kwai no a e wa asem ni mu ene se Ken Ofori Atta wo pe won pe o obeba. Ene de kia ne ki obeba. Ene de but the obetumi aka no nsem ne de bebre wo ho ntumi nka ntre yin. He explained that the current court proceedings are separate from extradition. As what is happening now is in relation to immigration law violations. That is separate and distinct from the extradition request. Inti osha de ekoso I was say the ekoso kra no e different from extradition no. Inti Ken Ofori Atta de to nesisi ano e America for ena omuni nenya. But Ghana for so ye extradition nso no it is working behind the scenes. As if it was put before the immigration judge that there's an extradition request, he wants a formal filing before him. So the Justice Department would have to do that before a decision is taken, he remarked. While declining to give specific timelines, the Attorney General said he remains optimistic. I don't control what happens with the Justice Department in the US, but I am very hopeful, extremely hopeful, that this will go through for Ken to come back to Ghana, he added. The former finance minister appeared before a United States immigration court in Anandali, Virginia, on Tuesday, January 20th, 2026, following his arrest by Immigration and Customs Enforcement on January 6th, 2026. As the U.S. authorities argue that Ofori Atta no longer has lawful status to remain in the country after his visitor visa was revoked. The matter was heard before Immigration Judge David Gadi and focused on a bond redetermination and a preliminary review of the case. During the proceedings, his counsel requested that both the bond hearing and the related master calendar hearing be closed to the public, citing the sensitive nature of the issues expected to be raised. And so say Judge Gadi granted the request and directed non-parties observing via WebEx to exit before proceedings continue. And then yesterday I brought you that story. So basically, no. Unse endra mekan sembi. Asemo mekan ne say ohwe Ken Ofori Atta insensemo a ekoso. Ene memba moye den kra memba no. Memamoti ase say for Ken Ofori Atta, an astute businessman, to be going through humiliation way and still sort of as a way in I will go through no. It looks like there is something bigger. Ken Ofori Atta in himself or back Ghana, it will be discovered. Internon peso beba no. Okay, say make us no. Endra obi de analogy be at the betu social media. Na wuti nipa ko ne analogy na. Asemo nipa ko ne can say. It looks like maybe if Ken Ofori Atta comes to Ghana, in Semlimuno, a lot of people might be implicated. Nipa bakwa wonu susu se ebia ne ho beba asem eye President Akufo-Addo. Enu nti na Ken Ofori Atta kantam se womba no. That's what someone said. And nipa ko na asem a wokan no. It's as a dream who I'll say or is this the big thing in here? I say because clearly everyone knows Ken Ofori Atta he will be granted bail in Ghana. And to decide to go through humiliation, public humiliation like this, the whole world. And Ramit say me home video be na Nigeria phobia discussing matter no. Say nipa krowi emra na Ghana for catch ne son resign no. Osi ontumi nya ne mba ho. Na ende de we dwane efi ne mane ho ombra won pese obeba. Until it goes to the point I was making, said there is something bibi wo ho. And it looks like people are beginning to draw the conclusion. And you see, the reason why people might be wrong, but the reason why they are able to draw such conclusions, and they say, Ken Ofori Atta mpeso beba. Basically, that's it. But we wait to see. Montreal Mwadrin or comment box nimo. Medasi.